In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. You need to begin by choosing all apps, scrolling down and tapping on Settings. Then click on Apps and Notifications here. Select Advanced and click on Permission Manager. After that, you need to tap on one of your device's features, like Location, and select an app. I will go with Chrome. Then select one of those options by tapping on the best one for you. Allow only by using the app or deny. I will go with the first one, so now when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature. And then select one of your apps, for example, Google. Now tap on See All Google Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!